Hello, I'm Jill Manuel, the Senior Assistant Registrar for Academic and Classroom Scheduling. This video will explore how to use and navigate the myPurdue page as well as Unitime navigation. In order to go to the myPurdue page, you can find that by visiting purdue.edu, scrolling down to the bottom and going to myPurdue. You'll need to log in. Once logged in, you will come to this screen. As a Schedule Deputy role, you will have access to the Banner tab in myPurdue. In the Banner tab, you will find a lot of different resources that you can use. You'll have the access to the administrative banner, direct access into Unitime, access into the registration workflow system, and access into lookup classes and course roster search. For lookup classes, that is how you can view this master schedule of classes for each term. For course roster search, this is how for each term you can pull a current course roster for every section. You can also pull a course roster for canceled sections in a term as well. Right here, include canceled sections. You would hit yes if you want to pull a course roster from a previously canceled section. Let's go ahead and go into Unitime and look around. We are now logged into Unitime. I am using a current Schedule Deputy as my test. So as you can see in the upper right-hand corner, we are logged in for fall 2023 term. If you want to switch between the terms, you click on the term, and now you can toggle between each term. You want to make sure that you are in the PWL, or Purdue West Lafayette academic campus. We also schedule statewide, which is indicated by the SW in Unitime as well. You also want to make sure if you have other roles, Lisa here is also a student advisor and an instructor. You want to make sure as the Schedule Deputy that you're clicking on the Department Schedule Manager role. On the left-hand side is the navigation for Unitime. Courses is what naturally is open when first opening Unitime application. Here, you can toggle between instructional offerings. This is how you look up courses via your subject area. You can also go to the Classes tab. The Classes tab will help you filter out easier than the instructional offerings. You can see here there's a filter on the top. You would open that up, and this is how you would filter out. All of these processes will be further explained in additional training modules. This is also review your instructors, your course timetabling, and reports. The Student tab is where you'll find information regarding dashboards. Dashboards is primarily used when looking at pre-registration batch numbers. Holly Keckler is the primary contact for batch registration training. You can also see here, you can do events if you're needing to add an event in an academic classroom. And then underneath the Help tab is where your manuals are located. The course timetabling data entry manual can be quite a tool to use if you want to take the opportunity to look through that. There's also a few tips and tricks and then an FAQ as well.